Okay, now let's see the next technique, that is prime numbers. We need to know first what are prime numbers and composite numbers. So there are two things, prime numbers and composite numbers. Now, prime numbers are those numbers which cannot be factorized. They have only two factors. They are 1 and itself. And the numbers which have more than two factors, they are called composite numbers, as simple as that. Now, a number like 8 is not a prime number. It is a composite number because 8 has more than two factors. A number like 16 is not a prime number. It's a composite number because 16 has more than two factors. Now, you must understand that prime numbers are only numbers, which cannot be factorized and which have only two factors, that is 1 and itself. Then how about 1? What is 1 then? Is it a prime or a composite number? 1 is neither a prime nor a composite number because 1 has only one factor, that is 1 only. It doesn't have two factors. But the rule for prime numbers is they must have two factors, that is 1 and itself. But 1 has only one factor, that is itself. So 1 cannot be termed as either a prime number or a composite number. Okay. So prime numbers. Now, what are prime numbers is, as I was telling you, they have only two factors, 1 and itself. There is a common question which they may ask you somewhere from 7th standard, 10th standard, like write the first 100 prime numbers. And there's no technique using the school method to find the prime numbers. So generally what we do is we write numbers from 1 to 100 and then cut off the multiples of 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and then the leftover numbers are prime numbers. That's a very hectic task and very lengthy procedure. Okay, but using Vedic mathematics technique, we can find the first 100 prime numbers in just about a few seconds. Okay, so I'll first prepare the table for you and later explain you how to find the prime numbers. Okay, now let me tell you the technique using Vedic mathematics, how to find the first 100 prime numbers. Now we need to know certain rules about prime numbers. Now the single digit primes are 2, 3, 5 and 7. Now we need to know certain rules about prime numbers. All the prime numbers are odd numbers, but for one number, that is 2. 2 is the only even prime. Apart from 2, all the prime numbers are odd numbers. Okay, so what you must do is, you must write 2, 3 outside the box. Okay, just write 2 and 3 outside the box. Okay, inside in the first box write 5 and 7. Okay, first write like this. Now using this technique, we can also find twin primes. Now what are twin primes? We heard about prime numbers. What is twin primes? Twin primes is like the prime numbers with the difference of 2. They are called twin primes. Now using this method, I'll also show you later how to find twin primes also. Now first write 2, 3 outside the box and write 5, 7 in the first box. Okay. Now starting from 7, the magic number is plus 4 plus 2. Okay. So just keep adding like that until you reach 100. Okay. So from 7 add plus 4 plus 2. 7 plus 4 is 11, plus 2 is 13. Again plus 4 plus 2. 13 plus 4 is 17. 17 plus 2 is 19. Again 19 plus 4 plus, okay. 19 plus 4 is 23. Then plus 2 is 25. Okay. Then 25 plus 4 you get 29. Then plus 2 you get 31. 31 plus 4, 35. You must first write numbers like this. Okay, maybe you might have traced some numbers which are not prime numbers. I'm first telling you to first create, box like this with these numbers. Okay, later I'll show you the technique how to find the prime numbers from these numbers. Okay, so 35. Okay, 31 plus 4, 35 plus 2, you get 37. 37 plus 4, you get 41. Plus 2, you get 43. 43 plus 4, you get 47. Then plus 2, you get 49. Okay, 49 plus 4, you get 53. Plus 2 you get 55. Okay, plus 4 plus 2 plus 4 plus 2 plus 4 plus 2, then plus 4 plus 2. Okay, plus 4 plus 2 plus 4 plus 2, then plus 4 and plus 2. Now, if you add plus 4 to 97, that becomes 101. But we are trying to find only the first 100 prime numbers. Okay, so that's it. There ends with 97 only. Okay, so right. Okay, first create the box like this. Okay, now after you create this box, from this box cancel the multiples of 5 and 7. This both numbers multiples you have to cancel. We'll first cancel the multiples of 5. Now leave apart 2, 3, 5, 7. I'm telling from 11. Now don't say 5 is multiple of 5 and then cut off 5. Don't do that, okay? And 7 is there, so multiple of 7, cut off 7. No. Starting from 11, check out whether 5 or 7 will go in 11 or 13. No, it doesn't go. So 11 and 13 are prime numbers. Similarly, for 17 and 19, can you check whether 5 or 7 will go in 17 or 19? No. So even 17 and 19 are prime numbers. Check out whether 20 or 25 is like a multiple of 5 or 7. Yes, 25 is a multiple of 5. So what you can do is all the numbers ending with 5 are multiples of 5s. So cancel those numbers, okay? So cut off 35, then we have 55, then we have 65, then we have 85, then we have 95. So you have cut all the multiples of 5s. Now cut the multiples of 7s, okay? Now 7 7s are 49 is a multiple of 7, then 77 is a multiple of 7. Check out whether 83 is a multiple of 7. No. 89, no. 91. Check out, yes. Check out 91 is a multiple of 7. Yes. Got it? So that's it. So 49 and then 77 and 91. Okay, these are the multiples of 7s. Now the unstruck numbers, what you can see on the board, these are prime numbers. Okay, so 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, 19 and 23, 20 and 31. Now see, in some boxes you are able to find 2 numbers. Yes, those are called twin primes because the difference between them is 2. See, now mind you, 3 and 5 is one set of twin primes and 5 and 7 is again one set of twin primes because the difference is 2. Okay, similarly 11 and 13 are twin primes, 17 and 19 are twin primes, 29 and 31 are twin primes, 41, 43, then 71, 73. That's it. So these are twin primes. Okay, there are basically 25 prime numbers in the first 100 numbers. You can count them. See, so you get totally 25 prime numbers in the first 100 numbers.